Heather, we're over here at this ground floor unit at Marina Landing.
3 bedrooms, 3 baths, everybody's got their own restroom, and this is the view. There's nothing more to say. You've got to see this for yourself.
Let's go.
All right.
Floor-to-ceiling windows off the living space help us really appreciate waterfront living. This kitchen is so dreamy. Luxurious appliances, beautiful hardware, and they didn't forget the wine fridge.
Perfect for that Florida lifestyle, the living on the water, and luxury details inside. The luxury continues with the high ceilings and a full wall of windows. Isn't that the dream, to live and watch on the water?
Outdoor living space.
Absolutely, and this summer kitchen is just perfect. So for more information, look in the description below. I've got the link there for you and all the details.
And there's more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Don't miss out on any future deals like this one.